Still got factory converters there and there. Then it's widened to single. Then 3-inch all the way back into a DTM, basically like a MagnaFlow. 18-inch body muffler. 2 1/4 tailpipes. All the way back into 4-inch rolled black tips. Right there. And right there. Sounds good. Again, there's the sound decibels on it. Go ahead and bring it back. Yeah, his lec tips look good on it. They look pretty. Let you guys hear on the inside. Ram 1500. After a break-in period of about 30 days, it gets a little bit louder, another 10% when the fiberglass gets compacted. Just to let you guys know.